practice speaking, my Independence Day speech. Do you want to speak fluent English with confidence? Let's practice together. Today I'm going to share a simple and powerful Independence Day speech that you can practice with me. Repeat it, feel it, and speak it with pride. Let's build fluency and confidence, one sentence at a time. Speech introduction. Good morning, everyone. Today I feel proud to stand before you to speak about a very special day, Independence Day. It is not just a date on the calendar. It is a reminder of our freedom, our struggles, and our strength as a nation. The meaning of independence. Independence means we are free to live, speak, and grow in our own way. But freedom didn't come easily. It came after years of struggle, sacrifice, and unity. Our freedom fighters dreamed of a nation where everyone is equal. They gave up everything for us, their comfort, their families, even their lives. How we can respect our freedom. So, how can we respect this freedom? By being honest, kind, and responsible citizens, by helping others, by learning and growing, by keeping our country clean and peaceful. We don't need to fight with weapons now. We need to fight against hate, ignorance, and laziness. Let us celebrate freedom with purpose. Let us build a future that makes our heroes proud. On this Independence Day, let's take a moment to thank all those who gave us the gift of freedom. Let us promise to be better citizens, better students, and better human beings. This is not just my speech. This is your voice too. Practice it, feel it, speak it from your heart, because every word brings you closer to confidence. Did you like this speech? Practice it with me again. Share it with your friends and comment below. I am proud to speak in English. Keep learning, keep speaking, and always remember, your voice matters.